In this video, you will learn about the concept of progression as it relates to your practical experience. Progression refers to student advancement through proficiency levels 0, 1, and 2, which enables them to perform at the level of a newly certified CPA by the end of their practical experience journey. Complexity, autonomy, and frequency, or circumstance, as it is referred to in PERT, are the factors used to determine the level of proficiency. Throughout his duration, Jason is expected to perform increasingly complex, less routine work with a higher level of autonomy. At the start of his PE journey, work is primarily focused on retrieving and comprehending information, which is considered level 0. As Jason gains further experience, complexity and autonomy increase, and this experience begins to develop into analysis, which is considered level 1. By the end of his practical experience journey, Jason will be taking on increasingly complex and less routine work at a higher level of autonomy. He will develop the ability to problem solve and make effective decisions and recommendations. At this time, Jason will be performing at the level of a newly certified CPA. Jason has now spent 24 months in his role as a financial analyst, and he is getting ready to complete his 4th experience report to capture his progression over the last 6 months. Jason gets ready to document his technical and enabling competencies. One of Jason's key responsibilities is to analyze potential improvements to existing systems and management reporting based on business needs. He has previously self-assessed at level 1 in Management Reporting Needs and Systems, or MA1, for the work done in this area, including improvements to existing reporting packages and implementing a reporting module. He now believes he's performing at level 2 and is going to document additional reporting packages he's created to demonstrate his progression. He reviews the guiding questions and documents the following. Who are your internal stakeholders? What information do they need and why? What types of information systems have you analyzed? What tasks did you perform, and which resulting recommendations did you make? How did these recommendations improve management decision-making? Finally, discuss any ethical, privacy, or data integrity issues you considered. Jason then reviews the Technical Competencies rubric in the CPA per Appendix A for MA1 to ensure he has addressed all the requirements for Level 2 proficiency. Jason will now assess the level he was consistently performing at by considering frequency, or circumstance, as it is referred to in PERT, complexity, and autonomy. Jason has been targeting Level 2 proficiency in his reports to date based on the cumulative work he has completed in this area. Frequency is routine. This is the second custom reporting package he has developed. In addition to these reporting packages, he has also implemented a reporting module and made improvements to existing reporting packages. Complexity is high, as Jason has integrated data from various systems and considered information requirements from various business units to create this new management dashboard. Autonomy is also high, as Jason worked independently with the various business units to analyze their information requirements and design the reporting package. This combination results in Level 2, and Jason self-assesses accordingly. Jason repeats this process for his other key job duties. He also self-assesses at Level 2 in MA2 based on work performed on 2 annual budgets and quarterly forecasts. The proposed Level 2s in MA1 and MA2 would support a depth in management accounting. He also has self-assessed as having met the core requirements. Jason has not yet self-assessed his final Level 2s for breadth, but is aiming to complete these in his next experience report by targeting MA4 and FR2. For now, he believes he is still at Level 1 in these areas and documents the work he has completed in the last 6 months. Jason has now finished documenting his technical competencies. Up next, learn how to show progression in your enabling competencies.